Hey there guys, it's RoseyLikeMe here, and today we're going to learn a little bit more about the string method, split. So the split method practically separates the string into a string of lists, a list of strings, something like that. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into that. So here we have two variables. I have one that's names and one that's hashtags. So we have John, Jacob, Jingleheimer Smith. John, Jacob, Jingleheimer Smith, right? And then we have the hashtags add, let's say, add, Joe, new, and Baba, right? So let's go ahead and print these out and use our split function to split these into a list where each single thing that we have here is going to be a list item. So first we're going to start off with name dot split. If we do this, it's going to separate every single one of these by the space bar or by the spaces, because we don't have anything saying we want to split it by anything else, right? So John, Jacob, Jingleheimer Smith. Now, what happens if we just say hashtags dot split? Will it separate these things into separate items in a list? The answer is no. It's all one item in a list. This is because we didn't specify how are we going to split it. We wanted to split it by the hashtags, right? So we're just going to go ahead and say hashtag. And when we run this, it has an empty item right here because we have a hashtag in front of add. And this is supposed to be a list out here, but we can remove that. And now we have these items separated into their very own list item. Now this is very useful when we have extra spaces like this for when we want to combine names, at least for how I would like to use it. But that is for another episode. I hope you learned a little bit more about the string method dot split. But that is all for this episode. Hope you stay tuned for learning a little bit more about other string methods and other Python stuff. That is all. My name is RoseyLikeMe. Go ahead and leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you learned a little bit more about lists today. All right. 안녕, ciao, 잘가, salut.